Have you ever wanted to create mind-blowing images but have the artistic skills of a potato? Well, you're in luck, because today I'll show you 5 free AI tools that make you look like the next Picasso, or at least a decent meme artist. Those 5 are Flux Ultra AI and Leonardo AI, Microsoft Bing Images. Qwen 2.5, Perchance AI. We can compare the image for those websites with same prompt. First up, we got Flux Ultra AI, the one that makes your images look so good, your friends will think you actually know Photoshop. Go to Flux Ultra AI. Sign up, or just pretend you already have an account. We need a prompt to generate an image, so we go to ChatGPT, type a girl playing music instrument image prompt. Copy the prompt. Paste in prompt section. Hit generate and watch AI do all the work while you sip your coffee. Boom! You just created an image in 10 seconds. That's faster than me deciding what to eat for dinner. High-quality images, lots of styles, makes you look like an artist. Download your masterpiece and pretend you made it from scratch. Next, we got Leonardo AI, the AI that makes every image look like it belongs on a movie poster. Go to Leonardo AI. Sign up. Yes, you need an account, but it's worth it. Choose your AI model, fancy, fancier, or make my brain explode. Paste the prompt. Click generate and admire your artistic genius. Congratulations! You just created an image that belongs in a sci-fi novel, or a fever dream. Super detailed, cinematic quality images. Download and show off to your friends. Now let's talk about Bing AI. Yep, Microsoft actually made something cool. Go to Bing Image Creator. Log in with your Microsoft account, or create another one because you forgot your password. Type in something wild, like a dinosaur DJing at a 90s rave. Or paste the prompt. Click generate and prepare for Bing's best, or worst, attempt. Sometimes you get a masterpiece, and sometimes you get nightmare fuel. Either way, it's free entertainment. 100% free, no limits, instant results. Download your masterpiece. Okay, last but not least, we got Qwen 2.5 AI, the underrated genius of the AI world. Go to Qwen 2.5 AI. Click generate and let AI do its magic sparkles. Save your AI masterpiece before anyone realizes it was free. If Leonardo AI is the rich kid, Qwen 2.5 is the hidden genius in the background plotting world domination. Highly creative, underrated but powerful. Oh, you thought we were done? Meet Perchance AI, the AI that doesn't follow rules. Go to Perchance AI. Type in something completely insane, like a chicken wearing sunglasses, surfing on a lava wave, or paste the prompt from copy in ChatGPT. Click generate and prepare for the most unpredictable AI art ever. Laugh, cry, or be deeply confused at the results. Faced with tears of joy, Perchance AI is basically chaos in digital form. Expect the unexpected. And now, let's compare all 5 images of our girl playing a musical instrument. And now, the moment of truth. Which image wins? Flux Ultra AI looks like an expensive oil painting artist palette. Leonardo AI straight up a fantasy movie poster clapperboard. Bing AI, Microsoft Bing kept it real with urban flair. Qwen 2.5 AI, dreamy, soft, brought the cyberpunk energy. Perchance AI, enchanted us with fantasy. Honestly, they're all winners in their own right. But if I had to pick a favorite, I'll leave that up to you guys. Drop your votes in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, keep creating, stay curious, and remember, AI is just a tool, but you are the artist. Peace out.